Okay, so the big mission tonight before the rain hits is to get the floor in, right? I mean, I gotta get it in. And I gotta get the poles dug for the posts. Got everything going. We're running out of light again. But so far so good. We had to lay in a bunch of supplies. Let me show you what we got so far. Okay, here we go. Got the mats cut up. That went pretty slick. Just laid them out over the pavement over the last couple of days to air out a little. And hopefully, if we have time, we'll power wash them when we get down here. I doubt if we'll have time though. Yeah, I still gotta get those inside before it rains. Poor Sam's been jonesing all afternoon now. I know. We'll get to it. So anyway, here's the layout. Get off! Oh. Wow. Where are you at? There you're at. So you can see, pardon me, we're getting there. The floor's going in. Let me get around here. So we'll see. I'm not going to use any of this, I'm sure. Never do. Never do.